Hello, I'm Chris and I'm a professional landscape photographer based in Cumbria in the Eden Valley, just 20 minutes from the beautiful Lake District National Park. My job is to coach my clients to improve their mindset, skills and approach so that they can take better photos and get more joy from their photography. I joined the Clients on Automation program so that I could learn how to create a reliable pipeline that would bring clients into my business. But what I got was a whole load more. At this stage, I'm only part way through the training. I haven't even got to the technical bit yet, but I have already learned so much. So far, we've covered developing a winning mindset, the psychology of sales and what makes people buy, and how to create an offer that's focused on serving your clients by solving their problems. As someone who has traditionally hedged his bets and relied on multiple income streams, the program has already given me the confidence to go all in on my coaching business. I would like to take this opportunity to thank Ed and his team for giving me the chance to build a business around my passion for landscape photography that has the potential to support my family in ways I never dreamed possible. If you haven't booked your free consultation yet, do it now. I don't think you'll regret it.